Hey guys, this is Keyless One. How y'all doing? Yeah, I'm putting up a short video. This video is about a little cooking I did. So I just want to share it with you guys. It's not much, nothing big. So I'm just asking to watch, enjoy while I put this together. And I'm asking you guys please to hit that notification button. Give me a thumbs up and press all, so when all the video come in, you'll all get it. And please subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you very much for watching everything I put out. And my channel is Keyless One. The reason for that, I have this name for a very long time. It's a story I gotta tell sometime, all right? And please just enjoy everything I put out. And if you look in the description, you'll see where I said this is all about my everyday life, and the reason why my channel is Keyless One Mix Vibes, because it's a mix channel. It's not just a regular one channel about one thing. It's about everything. It's everything in my everyday life. It's about some cars I work on, you'll see it. Some food I cook, you'll see it. Some traveling I do, you'll see it. If I do cleaning around the yard, you'll see it. If I have fun, you'll see it. This is just what I put together, and I enjoy doing it. And this is something I wanted to do for a very long time. So, guys, please stay tuned, watch, and enjoy. Thank you very much, sir. Please remember to subscribe, share, okay? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And hit that notification button each time. Thank you. Yeah, frying some fish called pogies. Looking good, man. I seasoned them up, and they're in the pot. Yeah, they're doing good. Can't wait till they come out. Supposed to be tasting real good. Yeah, that's all my vegetable. Onions, carrots, tomato, and some scallion and stuff. I'm gonna put in my pot over here with my fish. I make some brown stew fish. Put them all over it. Yeah, so they look pretty, man. Oh man, I love that. And then I have some veggie cooking up over here, man. Alright. So I'll get ready for that now. Alright. Then I'll put some butter in. And cut up some potato and put in that too. Yeah, and just let her steam out. Time for dinner. Guess who is coming for dinner? Me. Yeah, my fish. Meat sauce, put them in the pot now, and then we have some potato I just cut up and put in the pot. So it's all getting ready. Then I got some okra over there. I didn't want to put it over here, but I just put it to the side. Then dinner almost ready. Yeah, just doing some brown stew fish and some vegetable. Coming out good too. Yeah, Alright, just stay tuned, stay forward, look for my brown stew fish. Yeah, it's pogies though. Yeah, alright. So, check it out. Cooking in the pot. Yeah. See? Cooking in the pot. Looking good, man. All right. Dinner almost ready for serve. Look at all the colors of my vegetable. Cooking up my squash, carrots, potato, onions and all of that. Yeah, fish over here kicking together. So here just cooking. Not much to do. Yeah. Alright. See, then I serve. Ready with my fish, okra, squash, potato, carrots, and all of that good thing. Yeah. Already. Look at that, all the pretty beautiful things in there.